Hello. All are listening to me? Okay, shall we continue with our phonics classes? Phonics sounds. Shall we start with? Okay, today we are going to start with I. Okay, what is the sound of I? I. I for ice cream. I. Capital letter I and small letter I. For ice cream, what is the sound? I. I for igloo also. Then what is the sound? E. Igloo. I for ice cream. I. I for igloo. E. Okay. What is this one? Capital I and small I. What is the sound? I for ice cream. I for igloo. E. Here I. Okay. Now next. What is the next letter? Capital letter J and small letter J. What is the sound? J. 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 Jackal. J. Jeep. J. Jungle. Now what is the next letter? What's the next letter? K. Capital letter K and small letter K. What is the sound? K. K. Kite. King. Key. Capital letter K and small letter K. What is the sound? K. King. K. Key. Okay. Next, what's the letter? L. Capital letter L and small letter L. Capital letter L, small letter L. What is the sound? L. Lion. L. Lion. L. Leaf. L. Lion. L. Leaf. Capital letter L, small letter L, and what is the sound? L. Lion. L. Leaf. Okay, we learn I, J, K, L. And now take your book, this book, My ABC. My ABC. Okay, turn the page. Now you finish till H. Now we are going to learn from I. He, see here, you can see capital letter I, small letter I. And what is the sound? I for ice cream and igloo, E. Okay, now what is here? Insect. I for insect. Ice. Island. Okay, now turn the page. See here, you can see few more pictures. Igloo. I for igloo. What is the sound? E. I for infant. What is the sound? E. Infant. And here, ink pot. What is the sound for I? E. Ink pot. And here, ice cream. For ice cream, it is I. Ice cream, I only. Okay. Now, turn the page. You can color here. Here, you have to find the pictures. Their name starting with I. Now, say it loudly. What is the sound? What is this one? Ice cream. What is the first letter? Ice cream. What is the first letter? I. Ice cream. So you can color this. Color this one. Finish coloring? Okay. Go to next picture. Say this. What is this? What is this? Igloo. What is the first letter of igloo? E. I. Sound is E. Igloo. What is the first letter? I. I. So color this one. Igloo. Color the igloo. Now see the third picture. What is this? Infant. Infant. What is the first letter? I. Infant. I. Infant. Infant. Color this one. I am going to color. Okay. I finished my coloring here. Okay. Infant. Now go to see this one. See the next picture. What is that? What is this? Butterfly. Is it starting with I? Is it starting with I? No, B is starting with B. So don't color this one. You have to color only the pictures starting with I. The pictures starting with I. Is it starting with I? No, this is starting with B. B. And this is this the one starting with I? What is this? Dolphin. Is it starting with I? Is it starting with I? No, this is starting with the letter dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. Do you need to color this one? No. And what is the next picture? Apple. Is it starting with I? No. What is the first letter of apple? A. And what is the sound? A. Apple. So, you don't need to color these three. Go to the next picture and see which one is starting with I, and you have to color it and send the pictures to me, okay? Now take the next page. What is the letter here? What is the letter here? J, capital letter J and small letter J, capital letter J and small letter J. And who is this? Who is this? Joker. What is the first letter of Joker? What is the first letter of Joker? J. What is the sound? What is the sound of J? J. J. Joker. J. Joker. And you know what is the name of this Joker? James. What is the name? James. And what is the first letter of James? J. And what is the sound of J? J. James. J. 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 Joker. J. James. Okay, go to the next picture and you have to read out with me. Okay, what is this picture? What is there on the tree? Look at the picture. What is there? It's jackfruit. Jackfruit. What is the first letter of jackfruit? What is the first letter of jackfruit? J. 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 Jackfruit. Next one. What is there on the table? You can see what is there in the glass. Juice. What is the first letter of juice? What is the first letter of juice? J. And what is the sound of J? J. Juice. J. Juice. And next one. See what is this mother? She is carrying something. What is this? What is this one? Jug. What is the first letter of jug? J. J. Jug. And what is the sound of J? J. Jug. And what this boy is wearing? What is this yellow color dress? What's the name of this yellow color dress? Jacket. Jacket. And what is the first letter of jacket? What is the first letter of jacket? J. J. What is the sound of J? J. Jacket. And what he is wearing? This one blue color. Blue color. What is this? Jeans. What is the first letter of jeans? J. Jeans. J. J. Jeans. Next, see, you can see so many flowers here. White colors flowers. What is that? What flower it is? Jasmine flower. Jasmine. What is the first letter of jasmine? What is the first letter of jasmine? J. 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 Jasmine. What is the sound? J. Jasmine. Can we read once again? Jackfruit. Jug. Juice. Jam. Jacket. Jeans. Jasmine flowers. Okay, all the words starting with what? Which letter? Jams. Starting with what letter? Which letter? J. Jacket. What is the first letter? J. Very good. Now turn the page. Slowly turn the page. Now we can write here capital letter J. You don't need to write small letter. Only capital letter we are going to write. Okay. Okay, what is this one? J. J. Joker. We are going to write only capital letters. You don't need to write small letters. So we are going to write J here from the red line to blue line like this. Capital letter J. Here you don't need to write anything. Only for Joker we are going to write. See here, next here. J. Joker. Okay. Here for all the jokers you have to write capital letter J. Small letter J we will write later. For juice, this and all, small letter J, that we will write later. Now complete all the capital J for Joker. Now go to this page. What is the letter? K. Capital letter K and small letter K. Capital letter K, small letter K. And what is the sound of K? K. K. Kite. Kitchen. What is this? See, you can see a small kitten here. K. Kitten. See what he is doing? He is taking tea from a kettle. This is kettle. This is kettle. K. Kettle. K. Kitten. K. Kitchen. K. Kite. All starting with K. What is the first letter of kite? What is the first letter of kite? K. Very good. Now what is the first letter of kitten? K. Very good. What is the first letter of kettle? Kettle. What is the first letter? K. Very good. Now we can go to next page. Okay, I will read this. You have to read with me. Okay. Kitchen. Kitchen, where we are making food. Where Amma is cooking food. Kitchen. K. Kitchen. Key. See? Key. Key. What's the first letter? K. Knee. Where is your knee? Kalil, where is your knee? Yes. Kid. See, this boy is a small kid. Kid. K for kid. Kite. Kettle. Kiwi. Okay, shall we read once again? Take this book. I will read and you have to read along with me. Okay, loudly you have to read. Okay. Kitchen. Take this finger and keep it here where I am keeping. Take this finger. Okay. Point it here. Kitchen. Kitchen. Tell kitchen. Very good. Key. Where I am keeping my finger? Yes. Keep it here. Key. Key. Keep your finger here. Yes. Kite. 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 Very good. Now keep your finger here. Knee. 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 Very good. Now keep your finger here. Kettle. 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 Very good. You all are reading so nicely. Very good. Take the next page. When you are turning the page, slowly turn the pages. Okay? Don't tear the book. What is this? This is kangaroo. This is mama kangaroo and this is baby kangaroo. And we are going to write capital letter for this mama kangaroo. But we are not going to write small letter K here. Only capital letter K we have to write here. Write carefully from the red line to blue line and a slanting line from the red line. Again a slanting line to the blue line like this. Slowly a standing line and a slanting line. Again a slanting line. Okay, here we will write later. Okay, Finish your writing? Okay. Now look at this picture. What is this? What picture is this? Kite. What is the first letter of kite? K. What is the first letter of kite? K. And what is the sound? K. K. Kite. Kite. K. Okay. Now we are going to trace this one, and after that we have to color this.